In today's video, I am going to teach you how to tag Freshsales Crm contacts. Tagging contacts is a simple way to organize your CRM and make it easier to filter, segment, and find the right people later. For example, you might tag contacts by lead source, customer type, priority level, or where they are in your sales process. Once tags are in place, you can use them to quickly narrow down lists and keep your data clean and consistent. To get started, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and go to the Contacts module. This takes you to your main contacts list, where you can view and manage all of your saved people in one place. Before you apply tags, it helps to take a moment to confirm you are in the correct view, especially if you use filters or saved lists. That way, you will apply tags to the right set of contacts. Next, choose the contacts you want to tag by selecting the checkboxes next to their names. You can select just one contact, or you can select several at the same time if you are updating a group. Move down the list carefully and check each contact you want included. This selection is important because tagging in bulk will apply the same tag or tags to everyone you have checked. Once your contacts are selected, go up to the Bulk Actions tray at the top of the page and click the Add Tags button. This opens the tagging option for your selected contacts. Using the Bulk Actions tray is the fastest method because it lets you update multiple records without opening them one by one. Now you will either search for an existing tag or type a new tag name. If you already used a tagging system, try to match the exact wording you've used before. Consistent tag names help prevent duplicates that look similar but mean the same thing. After you have selected the existing tag or entered the new one, click Save to apply it. Give it a moment to process, especially if you tagged a larger group. After saving, the selected contacts will now have the tag attached, making them easier to track and manage across your CRM. And that is all there is to it.